Hi. If you don't have a physical graphing calculator for you to be able to use, you can actually download one for your computer. It's really easy. So we're first going to go to this website in Google. So I'm going to copy and we'll go into a new web browser and I'll paste that. And then we're just going to follow these directions. So we're first going to click on Calculator, and then we'll click on Virtual TI-83 Calculator and select OK. Then we'll open the TI-83 folder, click on the VTI-83, and then select Extract All. Then we'll follow the instructions on the screen. Once again, we'll open up that folder and finally click on the icon. OK. I'm going to click on Calculator, and I'm going to click Download. From here, I'm going to save the file. And I want to save that right onto my desktop to make it easier. Okay. So now I'm going to go to my desktop. Just to minimize everything. And you'll see my folder appeared right here. I'm going to bring it out here to make it easier. Now we're going to right click on the folder and click Extract All. Now again, I need to tell it where I want to put it, so I'm going to once again make sure it puts it on my desktop to make it easy to find. And then once you've chosen where you want to put it, we'll put Extract. Okay, we'll exit out of there, and now you'll see it's put it back over here in that empty spot. I'll bring it out here, and once I open that folder, you'll see that there's 3 files. We're going to click on the file with that icon there that says VTI-83. And now it's going to open my virtual TI-83 Plus calculator. To make it even easier for you to access for during class and during homework assignments, all you have to do is right-click and choose Pin to Taskbar. And now you'll see when I right-click and exit, that icon will still stay there now. And that's how you can download your graphing calculator. If you have any questions or run into any problems, just send me an email and I would be happy to help you.